Hello, beautiful souls. How are you today? I am Antoinette with Flow Through Life. I am here today with the water signs reading. We have Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And I just have to start out with a little giggle because my camera likes to start on me. Sometimes when I'm ready but not ready. So it's just funny. I hope you are well today. Lots of messages coming in. Took me a while to get these out for your signs, but I got these two cards ready to roll. We have the Eagle, Communion Spirit, and I am in sync with the flow of life. And if you're watching me, then my dog's making noise back there, then you are in tune with the flow of life. Oh, let me let her out real quick. All right, so it's time for you to really tap into the spiritual wisdom, the spirit guides, and allow yourself to just flow. The card that I chose out of this right before was the worry card, and the message was just straight out, do not worry. Allow the energy of worry to just go, okay? And she's back. So, let's see what other, okay, 3 cards want to come out for you. Inaction, inspiration, challenge. These 3 cards all intertwined. You're overcoming that challenge, falling into the sync of life. You may have been feeling this inaction here, bringing in our inaction word where you're just kind of sitting in this place of like, whew, okay, I know what I need to do, but I don't know how to go about doing it, right? So it's just kind of sitting, waiting, and then just allowing, like in awe, like, oh my goodness, this is the moment I've been waiting for, you know? So allow yourself to be inspired by everything around you. Allow the challenges of life to guide you back home. And as I picked up this card, I should say, as I picked up this card came with it. So it's time to release those things that are no longer serving you, as we do consistently here on this channel, because releasing is such a beautiful way of getting rid of those excess energies you might have picked up along the way. It is a way of excuse me, getting rid of energies that are no longer in vibration. All right, ancient forest. Go out and forest bathe a little bit. Get in nature. Allow the elementals to speak to you. And if you channel through you, okay, I can feel that this top card wants to come, but all the other ones are getting stuck. Here we go. Into the air. Allowing yourself to fly. Okay? Allowing yourself to connect. Breathing that in. And see, I'm wearing my elemental necklace. Yes, thank you for the reminder. We have the elementals, so lots of winged energy. I do have the winged decks, but this one is just from the Earth Magic deck, so that's really interesting. Yahana koriyeta pahana ta koriyeta hataka satariyete kinata orata tashanaya tariyete eko. Allowing yourself to just breathe in those codes. Those are meant for just right now for you in this moment, whenever it is that you are here watching this reading, being here with me. I have another one that wants to come. I was trying to figure out which deck wanted to give us another message. In the meantime, while we bring through another channeled message, I communicate with ease and grace. People are willing to embrace what I have to say. So allow yourself to speak your mind. Clear your throat, right? Let me clear my throat. Da, 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 da. All right. Then, after you clear your throat, after you speak your mind, okay, people may feel intimidated by that, and that's okay, right? Because ultimately, everybody processes things a different way. So, if something happens and it doesn't feel aligned, let it go. Something happens and it does feel aligned, embrace it, right? Embrace with ease and grace, with flow, with communion with your spirit guides, with your inner soul, with yourself, with your own spirit. Release with the forest energy. So nature is calling, okay? So please allow yourself, these are so similar, but not on that side. So allow yourself, although look at those. So there's two sides to every story, every situation that you are involved in, and both parties can be right. Both parties, both energies, both whatever, you know, it doesn't, there's not one way or the other, right? And it may feel that way to both of you. It may feel like it needs to be my way or the highway, that type of a thing. You know, it's almost like if you don't want to listen, well, then I'm going to fly away, and it doesn't matter what anybody has to say because, you know, I know that I'm in my truth, and it's okay if the other person doesn't agree. Like, that's completely fine, right? Like, we don't all have to agree. We don't all have to be on the same page. We just have to be at ease with ourselves. We have to be in communion with ourselves, with our own spirit. All right, let's bring through some light language. I feel some light language wanting to come through. I'm getting caught down here on something, paper on the printer or something. Okay, here we go. Yena korretta kasha pora, yana katariete hikorutu sura, chempan panna yata korriti hisikitina hata urra, epa panna yata kosakori yata tasha toturiti tikini moru, amma patana hata kutoshora. La yana katoyeto turi dise patorana. Taking a deep breath, breathing in all that beautiful energy coming your way, allowing yourself to release anything no longer in alignment with your vibration, with your energy field. Reinforcing your white light shielding around your own body, within your own body. When connecting with nature, Mother Gaia is calling to you. Mother Gaia wants to connect. She wants to give you the codes and give you the messages that you have within. It is an unlocking of sorts. There are codes and messages within and in everybody's field, everybody's system, and everybody's DNA. So when you allow yourself to connect with Mama Gaia in this way, Allow your heart to expand. Allow your heart space to open up. And she will nurture you. She invites you into her realm, breathing in the air, breathing in the trees, breathing in the space between, the space around. Being still, sitting in silence, getting the bird codes, the sun energy, connecting in this way, allowing yourself to see the beauty in all that is around you. Toporanasa o chichisiki tiriru. This one came up for another, as well as this one. This was in one of the other signs from this month, December, which I didn't mention in the beginning, but I'll have that on the caption and the description and etc., etc. So this is the storyteller. And this one is really, really beautifully tapping in with that nighttime energy. I see the stars in the night sky, the fire energy. It may have been the fire signs reading. So if you have any Leo, Sagittarius, or Aries, maybe check that one out. But this one really calls into speaking into, or calls and speaks into connecting with the night sky. So not only that beautiful morning, but also the night. So there's these two feelings of opposite energies that want to connect with you, and it really feels like it's also a metaphor, in addition to physically doing those things, but it's also a metaphor for allowing both sides of self to come together and accepting both sides of self. So accepting the nighttime, the darker energy, right? And then also allowing the daytime, right? Beautiful daytime energy. This could be dawn, right? Where it's right in between these beautiful times. So maybe you're being called into that space, that liminal space between, to connect, release yourself, fly into the air. Will you accept the challenge? For inaction may not get you where you want to be. So flow, baby, flow. Thank you guys so much for being here. I truly appreciate all the likes and follows and comments, and the watches, even if you don't. Whatever resonates, please take, and whatever doesn't, please leave. And I will be back soon. I appreciate you so much. And if you'd like to follow me, I am at Flow Through Life or Flow with Antoinette. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, pretty much all of the above. All right. Thank you guys so much for being here. And go connect with nature. Real quick, I almost forgot. These are the two crystals. I just pulled these. So we have shungite and we have labradorite. Also, these are available in my shop if you're interested in getting any. But these are the two crystals and color energies you would want to connect with. So black, dark gray, charcoal colored, or beautiful, shimmery, shiny, iridescent labradorite. All right.